Welcome to the final part of our coffee shop simulator. You have already seen the program description in the previous videos. The program says we have some different types of coffee, small, medium, and large. And we need to make a menu-driven program when we can buy a coffee and show the total number of cups of each size of coffee sold, and to show the total amount of coffee sold, that is the volume, and to show the total money made. We should be able to also have an option to allow the customer to buy coffee. And in that place, the customer should choose the kind of coffee to buy as well as the quantity. At the end of this video, your program should look like this. Before I run the program, you have seen in the previous videos where we developed all the different components of this program. We have done the small coffee, the large coffee, the medium coffee. We also did the coffee order object, which has all the functionalities of this coffee shop. If you are interested to see how this were developed, please check this video series. If you run the program, this is the menu-driven program. You can see that we have options. We have options for all what we have been asked. Buy coffee, show total number of cups of each size sold, and at any time the total amount of coffee sold, and at any time show the total money made. You can see we have all the options here. Buy coffee, total cups sold, total coffee sold in ounces, show the total revenue, and show the receipt. Let us try to see how the program runs. If we see show the total cups, so now we haven't bought any coffee, so we have 0 cups. And if we show total coffee sold, or total coffee sold, yeah, it is 0 ounces. And if we have to show the total revenue, this should be $0, and there will be no receipt since there are no orders. But if we try to buy, so which kind of coffee? Small coffee. Let's choose 1, and let's buy just 1 cup small coffee. Do you want to buy more coffee? And we say no. You can press N or capital N or NO. The program looks like this right now. So if we check the total cups sold, remember it's just 1 cup that we bought. So total cups sold is 1. If we check the total coffee sold, that is the volume. The volume is 9 ounces, as we can see here. Small cup of coffee is 9 ounces. And if we check the total revenue made is $1.75, as we see here in the program description. $1.75. And if we want to show the receipts, press 5, and we see that this is the receipt. 1 small cup and 1.75, which is $1.75, 9 ounces. The total amount is 1.75. Now let us buy 1 more coffee. Let us buy a large cup of coffee. Let's take large and let's buy just 1. We don't want to buy more. So, and now we can see that we have bought 2 cups of coffee like that. And we know the total coffee sold, that is the volume, should be 24 ounces. 24 is the sum of 9 plus 15, because we bought 1 small and 1 large. How do we see that? We can also check which kind of coffee we have bought by showing the receipt. If we show receipt, we see that we have 1 small cup, which is $1.75, and these are the properties. These properties are just these ones here: small, and then the small, the volume, and the amount. And you see the total amount of money made. The total money here is 3.75, which is the sum of 1.75 plus 2. If you just add these 2, you get this value. End of receipt. And of course, if you want to quit the program, it is like this. If you're interested to see how this program is built, please watch on to the next video, and we start programming the menu of the program.